Now, it's not necessary that you'll always have an equation in its quadratic form. In most cases, you'll have to convert an equation into its quadratic form to get the values you desire. So, you have this equation here. Now, see that the highest order of x is 4. It's not 2, so this is not a quadratic equation. So, you must convert this into a quadratic equation. What you'll do is, you'll basically see this here, and you'll see this here. You must convert the first term, the highest order term, into a quadratic form. So this becomes x power 4 becomes x to the power 2 raised to the power 2. So this is a quadratic form of this. If this was, say, x to the power 8, you would have taken x to the power 4 whole power 2. Now, you'll put y in place of x square in this entire equation. So x square is equal to y. And when you plug in y into this equation, you get y square minus 6y plus 8. And this is indeed a quadratic equation. Now you'll solve for y by using the factorization method. We've discussed that earlier. And by using the factorization method, you get this when it's simplified. So either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 2 is equal to 0. So you get two values of y which are 4 and 2. Now, put y is equal to 4 in equation 1. This is equation 1. So x square is equal to 4. And now you get the values of x. X is equal to plus minus 2. And now you put y is equal to 2 in the same equation 1 to get x is equal to plus minus under root 2. So the solution set is this. Basically, x is equal to plus under root 2 minus under root 2 plus 2 and minus 2. So you have 4 values for x, as this is an equation in x to the power 4.